Today I'm going to talk to you about this box, the Hamilton Khaki watch box, because there is a little story about this one. When I was in China, and that's where I bought my watch, of course I had my box with my watch, and I was kind of happy about that. But when I moved back to France, somehow my box watch went lost. So I had my watch with me at my vest during my travel, my trip, and when I came back home and I opened up all my luggage and everything and my package, I could not find the Hamilton watch box. So I told myself, how can I do? So I went to check on eBay, and of course it has a certain cost. So I decided to contact Hamilton France, which is a watch group company, of course. And I had the pleasure, really the pleasure, to be in contact with Mr. Jérôme Bonis, who is the commercial coordinator, local coordinator, who has been really, really kind to me. So he sent me a new box, which, as you can see, is beautiful with all the documents inside. Okay, very, very nice. Let me put this on the side. And here there is the wood box of the Hamilton watch, and this is, of course, the watch that I bought at Hamilton store in a big shopping mall in China when I was living there. So they were very kind. I gave them all the serial number, all the model number and stuff, sent them some pictures, and they told me, don't worry, we're gonna take care for you in an exceptional way. So very, very kind. They sent to me the box. I got it today. I'm very, very happy. So thank you, Mr. Jérôme. Thank you very much. You really made my day. Thank you. Hamilton, it's really a serious company. I mean, at least that really cares for its customers. I can tell you that, according to my experience, has been fantastic. And Hamilton, that is, of course, one of my favorite brands, watch brands, will remain one of my favorites, and I'm already looking to their next watches to come. Thank you very much. Bye bye.